Today I am going to make it one seesaw area with the help of sketching. Take your dark pencil. If you have a 10B pencil, 8B pencil, if you got a HB pencil for a basic drawing, yes, it is fine for me. I am going to take it my dark pencil. Now I am going to start. Make one slipping line to the center. Make one more slanting line on a slipping line. One deep wave line going towards down at a page. One more curve line or a wave line rising upside. Few more curve line rising upside. This is the layers of the land. This is the sand. This is the water. And again this is a sand dunes which is very far away located location. It is a very far location where what I shown in this drawing. Now little bit light toning in a water. Show the lines. I am going towards end part. Same thing here. Little bit dark and then light going towards downside in a slanting manner. Again dark to light going towards downside. Same thing here. Make it dark first and then light tone. Same thing here. Dark first and going towards light tone till down. Here my layers of the land is ready. Now I am going to make it house small. Which is located far away. Few strokes on the roof, few strokes on the walls of the house, few bushes at the side of the house. Again same thing. Now I want to make it coconut tree which is very far away. One curve, one more little bit medium size curve rising on the sky. One more bigger one which is going towards a sky. Now here I want to show some thickness, so I am going to make it dark tone. There is a thickness of a coconut tree downside. Same thing here. Here I'm not going to make it because it's far away. Now few curves. Few curves leaning towards downside. One slanting, two slanting and straight out the center. Same thing here, it is far away, make it small curves. Now few strokes on a stem of the leaf. Here I am making a strokes which is leaning down. Same thing here which is leaning down. If you want to make it from both sides, yes, you can make it from both sides. Here too, same thing like a first what we made it. Now here it's slanting. Go it in a slanting mode. First you need to make it big and then medium, and when come towards end make it small. Same thing here, big, medium and small. Same thing here also, big, medium and small. big, medium and small. This is a coconut tree, and my coconut tree is ready. Now I'm going to another one. It is little bit far away from this coconut tree, so I am going to make it small strokes because I showed that as a medium scale. I'm not going little bit far away like this. So small strokes inside. It depends upon the distance, how long strokes you have to make it. Same thing like a first one. Here my second is also ready. Now I'm going to third. Make it very minute, small. Here my far coconut tree is ready. Now some light tone on the far away land. If you want to show a bushes there, you can make it bushes. There I am going to make it bushes. There one man standing far away by making circle shape, oval shape and straight line. Here I am going to make it fence, which is a safe, which I made it for a safe side of house. Here is a fence and one small boat which is far away. One man driving a boat with a knife. One on the bank of the river by using slanting line. Make it dark. Show the center part. Make it light one at the center. And this is a log where person can sit at the middle, and it is tied on a bank of the river or a seesaw. Few tiny grasses on the land. Here my grass is ready. Now I am going to make it one man here. One man with a circle, that is a head. Oval shape, that is my body part. Now one straight dark line standing, fatty line, that is a pant what he is wearing. Here a man is carrying something. Here a hand, few leg scalps where he is walking on a sand. Now here our drawing is ready. Little bit I want to make it this dark. I am using my hand toning. If you want to use your cloth or a tissue paper, yes, you can use it your tissue paper, but I find it hand got our scalps here, it got textures. We can make it here clean. We can rub it by hand. While after finishing our work, we can use it, we can wash it so it can be clean. Here my dark tone is done. Now I am going to rub it and make it sun with using my eraser. Here my sun is there, small sun in between two coconut tree. If you want to make it dark more, dribble it more dark so you can get it sun clear. Now we will get it a sun clear. I made it dark portion there. Now it's clear. My sun is clear. You can make it border level so you can get it equal circle, perfect circle. Few birds. Here our seesaw area is done. Enjoy with our art, education plus art. Take care.